Are you looking for the best drill press for woodworking in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best drill press for woodworking that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more to see the more information about these products. I found these products much helpful for people like you. You can check out the description below. Also make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. WEN4208. The WEN4208 is a great simple bench drill press at an extremely affordable price. Don't underestimate its small size. This little press packs a pretty decent punch. The 120-volt, 60 Hz motor delivers consistently smooth performance even at the highest speed setting. You can tackle a variety of different projects and materials with the WEN's 5 adjustable speeds that range from 740 to 3140 RPM. The 6.5x6.5 adjustable worktable tilts 45 degrees left or right, giving you extra flexibility. This is a portable drill press with built-in key storage for the WEN's 1/2 inch keyed chuck. You'll never have to worry about losing it ever again. Number 4. WEN4210 drill press with laser. The WEN4210 packs some of the best features of a large industrial floor drill press into a compact, 10-inch benchtop drill press. You can choose from 5 speeds between 600 and 3100 RPM to drill holes as deep as 2.5 inches. The WEN 7 5/8 inch by 7 5/8 inch cast iron worktable is sturdy and easy to adjust by crank to whatever height you need. Other useful features include a work light, laser, and storage for the key to the 1/2 inch chuck. This floor-standing drill press is a bit large for a shop bench, but after you use it you'll probably decide that the WEN4210 is an essential piece of equipment for your workbench. Number 3. Performance Tool W50005. The Performance Tool W50005 5-speed 1/3 horsepower bench top drill press has a fully adjustable machine table that tilts 45 degrees left and right. The 1/3 HP motor drives speeds of 620, 1100, 1720, 2340, and 3100 RPM. Ideal for drilling metal, plastic, and wood. It comes with a 1/2 spring-loaded chuck with a protective guard and a 2-1/2 vise. Made of cast iron construction, it's CSA approved. The Performance Tool W50005 M5-speed bench top drill press is ideal for shop and hobby use. Number 2. DEWALT DWE1622K. The DEWALT DWE1622K 2-speed magnetic drill press features a 10-amp motor with 2 speed settings that provide optimal performance in a variety of applications. This press has overload protection electronics that prevent motor damage and excess accessory wear, designed for long life. A quick change chuck system allows for tool-free change between 3/4 Weldon shank and 1/2 keyed chuck, and the quick release feed handles provide a tool-free change of handles to either side of the tool. The magnetic self-feed cooling tank of this woodworking drill press allows the user to regulate the flow of cooling fluid and can be placed on either side of the tool or on a work surface to allow for a variety of tool orientations. Number 1. WEN4214. The WEN 12-inch variable speed drill press is ideal for the home handyman looking to improve the accuracy and precision of their work. The drill delivers equal torque throughout its entire speed range, which can be set anywhere between 580 and 3200 RPMs. For additional accuracy, a spindle travel of 3 1/8 with a locking linear depth stop lets you repeat the same exact drilling operation as many times as you need to. The adjustable cast iron worktable measures 9.5x 9.5, and a table roller extension adds up to 17 inches of support for the piece you're working on. Other features include a 5/8 inch keyed chuck, cast iron base, and beveling worktable.